Have you ever noticed railway tracks never meet, but a window frame has corners that cross perfectly? Today we learn the lines that shape our world: parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are two straight lines that stay the same distance apart and never meet, even if extended forever. We write it as AB is parallel to CD, using two small vertical bars. Perpendicular lines meet at exactly 90 degrees, forming a perfect corner. We mark the right angle with a small square and write AB is perpendicular to CD using an upside-down T. Parallel lines are shown with matching arrow marks. The word orthogonal means exactly the same as perpendicular, just a fancier name used in higher mathematics. Example 1. In rectangle ABCD, which sides are parallel and which are perpendicular? Let's look carefully at each pair of sides to find out. Opposite sides AB and DC are parallel, and AD and BC are parallel too. Sides that share a corner like AB and AD meet at 90 degrees, so they are perpendicular. Example 2. Line L2 is perpendicular to L1. Line L3 is parallel to L1. What is the relationship between L3 and L2? Think before we solve. Since L3 runs the same direction as L1 and L2 cuts L1 at 90 degrees, L2 must also cut L3 at 90 degrees. So L3 is perpendicular to L2. Many students get this wrong. Two lines that simply cross are not perpendicular unless they meet at exactly 90 degrees. Always check for the small square symbol. Remember this: parallel is like strands of pasta lying side by side. Perpendicular is like a plus sign. 2 P's, 2 pictures, 1 easy memory aid for exam day. Great work learning with us today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear and simple lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for your full Form 1 mathematics journey.